What's up, YouTube? So we're going to do a little unboxing here. Got some accessories to go along with my new GoPro 9. And one of the things I needed was a different type of a tripod other than the one I'm filming with right now. But this is the Smatree. And this is from Amazon. And there'll be a link over here. Let's see what we got here. Decently packaged. This is a little something for my road travels. Something I can put on the dash. I guess I call it a tripod, but not really a tripod. And let's take a look at what it comes with. So you've got the actual mount. Which you can see is pretty decent. And here comes the house alarm system. Yeah, so good sturdy suction cups. It's got the pull down snap and lock apparatus. Comes complete with barking dog. This is adjustable, rotating adjustable, so you can get pretty much any angle you need. Tighten it up, boom, boom, boom. Uses the bottom of a camera mount, so you can use it for your phone or your DSLR camera, that kind of stuff. Pretty cool. Oh, well, it's not going to stick. That's granite. And if you know granite, you know granite's pitted. So it does come with a little mount so that you can put this on the top and use a standard GoPro. And an extra thumb screw. Yahoo! So that's the Smatree little instruction book. Made for tiny people. Pretty straightforward. Good stuff. And I'll have the price there too. I think that was like 10 bucks or something like that. Nothing major. Something similar to that. So then as long as you've got a new GoPro, you've got to have more batteries. So I opted to go for a charger. There's so many battery chargers and kits that come with extra batteries and aftermarkets and actual GoPro batteries. I'm usually a bigger fan these days of using the manufacturer batteries because they tend to last longer. But I did make the exception on this because this one had the coolest charging case. And I really didn't need the batteries because my GoPro came with 2 batteries, and I don't shoot heavily, I'll say. But, you know, I do tend to shoot a little bit, so. Let's see what we got here. And this is the MAXCAM. And this is the actual charger and case. And I liked it because first thing they showed was a guy putting it in his pocket, loaded with charged batteries, put it in his front pocket. So yeah, this is pretty small. And if this even halfway works, I already like it a lot. It's got a soft rubbery feeling. Lid pops open. Slots for 3 batteries. Type-C charging port. So it came with that, and it came with a couple extra batteries. I'm not going to complain. If they don't last as long as my others, I'm still not going to complain. But let's go ahead and pop these out. Take a look at one of these. And again, it's MAXCAM. Some specs. I believe they were the same spec, which I think is around 1800 milliamp hours. Don't quote me on that. Nice little case they came with though. Oh, and the little case actually has slots for memory cards. So you can throw that inside your bag too, with the overflow of extra batteries you have because you didn't need a battery. It also comes with a charging cable, which is going to be a nice braided doodad. It's actually not a bad cable. It feels solid. This is not a bad cable. So we came with that too, and 2 batteries, and I'll have the price for that probably in this corner. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of that. Again, I'll have more prices, price info, and a link to where I ordered it, all off of Amazon. Good stuff. Can't wait to play with this GoPro even more. See ya.